Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my first ever Chanel bag purchase. This is not really an unboxing video. Obviously, I've already opened it up because I was so excited to see the bag, and this is the box and this is the paper bag that it came with, and this is the beautiful Chanel bag that I've been using for the past week or so. So in this video, I'll also be sharing with you guys a quick thought and review in terms of the weight and how it wears and the durability and so on. So I will be sharing with you guys why I decided to buy this particular design in the particular size and so on. If you're interested to watch this video, just continue watching. I've always wanted to buy a Chanel bag, and it has always been a dream to add a Chanel bag to my designer bag collection. So this is the bag that I bought. This is the Chanel Classic Double Flap in the jumbo size, and this is how it looks at the back, and this is how it looks in front. So I bought it in the Caviar leather jumbo size with the silver hardware. So it is so beautiful even though it's a bit heavy. When it comes to buying a Chanel bag, it is quite a big decision to make because it's so expensive. Okay, anyway, so when it comes to buying my first Chanel bag, of course I have a few designs in mind. I was thinking whether to get the Chanel double flap or the Chanel boy. So ultimately I decided to go with a Chanel Classic flap instead because I think it tends to hold its value better, and in terms of the look and the design, I would still prefer a Chanel Classic flap. I feel that this bag is the most classic design in all Chanel's collection so far. So of course this is my first Chanel bag and I would want to buy something that's more classic. In terms of size, I was very conflicted between Chanel Classic Flap medium size and Chanel Classic Flap jumbo size, but in the end I decided to go with the jumbo size is because I already have my Gucci Marmont, which is in the medium size. I will now insert a picture to compare the size of a Gucci Marmont medium versus a Chanel Classic Flap medium size. So as you can see in the photo, it's pretty much the same size, and I didn't want to have like two bags of the same size. It's just different like brands, and to be honest, I feel that the two designs look very similar to one another. That's why I decided to go with a Chanel Jumbo instead. And also this is more of a work bag than a weekend casual bag, I would say, because I already have like quite a lot of casual bags in my collection. I see myself carrying this bag to work more compared to like using it over the weekends, which is why I decided to go with the jumbo size, and it can definitely fit a lot more stuff compared to like a medium classic flap. I was really conflicted because I had friends telling me that the medium size tends to hold its value better because people tend to reach out to a medium size compared to a jumbo size more, and jumbo size might be too big for some people because honestly this is not a very small bag to begin with, I would say, but for me I think it's a perfect work bag and I can fit a lot of stuff inside. And so far, after using it for a week, I don't regret buying this size at all. I just love the size, it's so beautiful, and I have nothing bad to say about this bag at all. Okay, so other than the design and the size, the next thing that I had to consider is the color, like which color I would like to purchase. Initially, I was thinking of either beige or black. To be honest, I think I have like too many black color bags in my collection already. My Balenciaga, my Miu Miu, my Gucci, even my Michael Kors, they're all in black. So I was really thinking of buying a Chanel Classic Flap Jumbo in the beige color, but then when it comes to light color, it definitely requires higher maintenance when it comes to like stains or whatever. But for black color, I don't have to like baby my bag that much, and as a person who is not very careful with my bags, which is why I decided to go with black color instead, even though I already have so many black color bags in my collection. But black, of course, is still the color that goes well with any outfit, even if I wear a black dress, or like today I'm just wearing like a simple black color spaghetti top. So ultimately I just decided to buy the black color. So as you know, the Chanel Classic Flap comes with the silver hardware and also the gold hardware, and I was really very conflicted when it came to this because I already have my Chanel Classic Flap. I don't know what is the name of this wallet, but I think it's the Chanel Flap wallet. So I bought this wallet about 2-3 years ago, and this is in the gold hardware. I think you are able to tell it from the camera. So this is in the gold hardware, and when it comes to buying a Chanel Classic Flap, I would want my bag to match my wallet, of course, but to be honest, I felt that gold hardware is a bit too loud when it comes to the jumbo size. So I'm not sure if you know, for the jumbo size, the chain is actually thicker compared to the medium size. So if I were to get this in the gold hardware, this will be in gold chain, and of course the double lock will also be in the gold hardware, which I think is a bit too much. It's too loud for me, I feel. And the more I look at the gold hardware, the more I don't appreciate it in that sense, because I feel that gold is nice when it comes in like smaller quantity. So for example, if I were to get a Chanel Classic Flap in the medium size, of course I would prefer a gold hardware because it looks very elegant and it looks very it goes very well with the bag. But when it comes to like the jumbo size, I think if everything is in gold, including the chain, the double lock, it's a bit too much. The more I look at the silver hardware, the more I think that it is the bag that I want, and I think it is really nice. And even after looking at it for like weeks, I mean 2 weeks, I still think that it's very beautiful. But for the gold hardware, I don't think I'll be able to say the same. Of course, if I were to buy a medium size, I would definitely go for the gold hardware because, like I said just now, I think it looks better when it is smaller. But for the jumbo size, I think silver definitely looks so much better compared to the gold one. And of course, my Gucci Marmont, the one in the medium size, is really in gold hardware, so which is another reason why I don't want to have another gold hardware bags. And I realized a lot of my bags, even like my YSL and the other bags I have, they are all in gold hardware, and I actually don't have any bags that is in silver hardware, which is why I decided to go with the silver hardware. And up to today, I don't regret my decision at all because I really like it so much. Like the more I look at it, the more proud I am of myself for choosing like silver hardware over gold hardware. Does it even make sense? Okay, so I'm just really in love with the silver hardware for now. And the next thing that I have to consider when it comes to buying this bag is whether I want it in the Caviar leather or the Lambskin leather. So of course I went with the Caviar leather. So there are definitely a few cons when it comes to the Caviar leather. The first thing is it's not as beautiful as Lambskin, of course. It is slightly rougher compared to Lambskin. Lambskin looks very smooth, very soft, very feminine, and it definitely looks so much better compared to Caviar leather in terms of the overall vibe. But the reason why I decided to go with the Caviar leather is because, like I mentioned just now, I'm not someone who is very careful with her bags, and I don't want to buy a bag and in the end I have to baby a lot. It will take too much effort and too much commitment, which is something that I didn't want. So I decided to go with the Caviar hardware so that I don't have to spend so much time carrying for my bag. Another reason is because my wallet that I bought 2-3 years ago, it is in the Caviar leather as well. So I would want to match my wallet with my bag. So I decided to just go with Caviar. But another con about Caviar is that it is heavier compared to Lambskin. So I've tried both the jumbo size in Caviar skin as well as in Lambskin. I can feel the weight difference, although it's not very significant. But if you carry it out with your wallet, with other stuff in your bag, I think you will be able to feel the difference in the weight. Lambskin is lighter compared to Caviar leather, but I think in terms of the wear and tear, I would still prefer to get a bag in the Caviar leather, especially it's Chanel. It is so expensive, so I don't want to see any scratches or any dents on my leather in the next few years. So I decided to just go with the Caviar leather. Okay, so this is the bag that I bought for myself, and this is like a gift for myself after working full-time for about a year, okay, slightly more than a year. The reason why I decided to buy a Chanel bag this year is because it has been like 1 year since I started working full-time. I graduated from university last year, so it has been officially more than a year since I've entered the society and be a working adult, so I thought it would be a very meaningful gift for myself, also motivate myself to work harder, so I decided to reward myself with this Chanel bag. On top of that, I realized that Chanel has this price hike thingy every year or every like once in 2 years or whatever. So in this year, Chanel actually did a price hike, and a lot of their classic designs, which include the Chanel Classic Flap and also the Chanel Boy, has like a 20 to 30% price increment if I'm not wrong. I was thinking if I want to buy a Chanel bag and I want to add a Chanel bag to my collection, I might as well just buy it this year than to drag it for like a few more years later when the price might get even higher than now. So it's really crazy that a Chanel Classic Flap in the jumbo size retails for 5 digits now in Singapore. I'm not sure about Europe or in the US, but of course it also depends on the size that you want to get. The price increase is really ridiculous. It is so expensive. I can't imagine myself spending so much money on a bag, to be honest, but as someone who really like bags, and I thought it is a very meaningful gift for myself, and I just decided to buy it. So if you guys are interested to see what I have in my Chanel bag, probably I will do another video to show you guys what's in my Chanel Classic Flap. So today's video is just a quick sharing with you guys that I finally bought my first Chanel bag, and I'm so happy with this purchase. I can't wait to wear this bag more often. So I guess that concludes today's video. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you or to answer your questions. So I will see you guys next time.